What up though YouTube, this your boy 2Fly Graffiti back today with another video. I told y'all in my last video, if sneakers kept blessing me, then I was gonna do what I do, and that's make these videos. So sneakers say, hey, we're gonna show you some love one more time. So they did show me some love. Now I didn't get next day shipping, so this review is a little bit late. As you can see, you already in the title, you already know this Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. I want y'all to go back and look at my old videos. I'm pretty sure I did a video of the Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux, and I'm pretty sure I said Bordeaux, like Bordeaux. I don't know why. Like, I was pronouncing that word just so weird back then. But yeah, go check that out. My old videos are very cringe, but they're there. But yeah, I did end up getting a W on the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. Of course, I had like 90 accounts going. I ended up getting on my main account, which is 2 times in a row where I've gotten shoes on my main account. So, I mean, I don't know. Sneakers must be saying that I'm putting in that work and I'm interacting with everything because they're showing me love. But I am going to show the shoe in a second. I do want to do a comparison because I do still have my 2015 Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux. So I am going to do a comparison between the two. One of the biggest reasons why I got this shoe, because I haven't really been getting all of the new colorways. I don't really care for them. But one of the biggest reasons why I got this is because the Bordeaux 7 colorway is just perfect. The Hair 6s that they tried to do from the Hair 7s was trash. I want to say they did the French Blue 6s, kind of like the French Blue 7s. And those weren't good either. So they actually really executed on these. So we'll go through in a second and look at them. Without further ado, let me just get straight to the shoe. All right, blam. As y'all can see, Air Jordan 6 colorway is black, Bordeaux, light graphite, noir, graphite, clear, Bordeaux. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out the box real quick. Oh yeah, they did their thing on these. Get both shoes out. Sorry about all the paper. The mic is right next to this. So. And it came with some spare laces. All right, hold up. I don't even know. That's weird because the 7s, of course, don't. But spare laces is starting to become more of a common thing. I think people are starting to do more lace swaps. So I think that spare laces is going to become the norm eventually. But Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux, blam. Black jump on the back. Bordeaux spoiler, of course. Here go the right shoe with the spare laces, the spare Bordeaux laces. I don't see myself throwing these in here. I did see somebody with yellow laces in them. I don't know about that one either, to be honest with you. I think I might just stick to black because I've never changed the laces on the 7s, which are over there. I'll do a comparison in a second. Let's give a rundown of the material. So it still has that light graphite in the front. It has a little bit of a scuff. I don't know what that's about, but then that ashy black for the side panel material. The back is ashy black as well. I do think the OG Bordeaux might be a little bit darker, the 7s, but we'll see. But these are nice. Got the 3M under there, of course. You can see it gleaming a little bit from the light. Smoked outsole with the yellow Jumpman and a little hint of Bordeaux right there. When we talk about the 7, I'll give my thoughts on how I feel about the colorway altogether. But of course, I do love this colorway as it sits. It is just a legendary colorway, and then it just looks good on the silhouette. This is something that I really like that they're doing, is putting it on other shoes. It looks really good. You got the maroon Bordeaux tongue right there with the little fabric piece right here, yellow lace lock, and then up close, you can't really see it. Oh, it's not, I'm sorry, tripping. It's in the back, not the front. So they do have like this, the 7 tongue where it's like the mismatched colors. And then let's see if it is, nope, it is different, like how the 7s is. All patterns are different, so that's dope. Oh, the insole has it too. You might not be able to see it because it's a little dark. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to see that. But overall, good colorway. I like, well, I mean, that's not even I don't even need to discuss. It's a great colorway already. Silhouette look good. The shape of the 6s is hit or miss these days, but this is actually, to me, a hit. I gotta look at the infrareds to see, but it's pretty close to, you know, that OG shaping. Let me grab a 7 real quick so y'all can see. All right, so boom, there go the 2015 Air Jordan 7 Bordeaux. Now, as you can see, this joint is still in great condition. I wear this joint all the time. This was built with good quality because I wear this shoe a lot, and it has made it through with no issues, no cracking, no paint chipping, no glue separation, nothing like that. I am gonna get rid of these though. This is probably the last time anyone will see these in my possession because they're a size 9. For some reason, my foot decided it wanted to grow in the last few years, so it's actually too small. But that doesn't mean anything. I'm just gonna go get a 9.5 because I need to have these in my collection at all times. So let's compare the two. Boom, hold on. Get to where y'all can see both. So like I said, you see the 2015 is a little darker. The 2021 6 is a little lighter. The black and the grays are they're different shades, but I mean, still, you know, fire nonetheless. The outsole though is where I have an issue. Not like a big issue, but I don't like that, like they didn't even try to put the rest of the colors on there. Like, you know what I mean? Like they only put the maroon at the end of the shoe, at the back of the heel, and then they did the yellow jump band. Like, you know, y'all could have tried a little bit harder. Y'all could have slid, you know, the greens, the blues, the yellows, and more in there. That's kind of boring. I don't know how I feel about the smoke gray, like this part, rather it just being black. You feel me? Like, I don't know how much I like that. I think it might have been black and it might have been okay. I don't know. And then one little detail, you see that yellow right there that comes up from the side? I wish that it was like that on the 6, where it came up from the side and had some yellow right there. I think they have the space to do that. I think it could look right. You feel me? Let's look at the rear. So, boom. Now, obviously, they didn't do the same as far as the 23 in the air, because I mean that would have been a little bit much. I mean, maybe make the air one of the colors, but they did do it with the spoiler to pay homage to the back, so that looks good. My favorite Jordan this came out my birth year. This is 92. My favorite Jordan is the Air Jordan 8, which came out in 93. I do wish that they take this and go ahead and make a Bordeaux 8. That would be nuts. Jordan Brand, if anybody on your team, you got a social media team and they out there watching, I beg of you, please make a Bordeaux 8. Oh, I would lose my mind on that. But just execute it right. Don't do no extra stuff. Don't change nothing. Just slap this colorway on an 8 and call it a day, boy, because the 6 is good. This is straight. I like this, man. You know, so let me know what y'all rocking with more too. Y'all messing with the OG straight up, the 7, you ain't going against the 7, or you like the new flavor? What y'all like? Let me know. I'm not gonna do it on feet because y'all done seen them before. You know, there's a few people that got them. I think that they look really good. I'm gonna do an outfit picture though, of course. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at It's Too Fly Graffiti. But I'm not gonna do on feet today. But let me grab both shoes so y'all can see both shoes. So boom, blam, wham. Air Jordan 6, Bordeaux, Sneakers W. Shout out to Sneakers, man. Showing me some love. I'm in the process of moving. Oh, hold up, real quick. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that in a second. Y'all see this white in here? I'm not feeling that at all. Nah, like you could have painted in there Bordeaux black, something other than white. Like, I just don't like, we got that whole smoky outsole, right? Boom. And then you just look in there and it's just a random hint of white. It ain't no white on this shoe. None. Maybe the tongue or the tag in the inside. There ain't no white in here, dog. And then I wish they would have did the how the leather is, where you can see like the light gray outside the leather. You know how they do that with the 4s and stuff like that. They could have did it on here, because I want to say 6s had it too. Yeah, like how you can see the leather, like how 11s look. You can see the lining of the leather on the outside. But yeah, that's my only gripe. Oh well, that's not my only gripe. My gripe is the outsole and that random just white. Like, that don't make sense to me. But I am in the process of moving right now. That's why I'm not doing all feasts. I'm in the process of moving and I gotta move around a lot of stuff. So once I get to my new place, I set up my new room and all that stuff, then I will drop more on feet videos. Hopefully, of course, that means I have to hit on sneakers too. So there's a lot of factors in here. But if you like what I'm doing, follow me on Instagram at It's Too Fly Graffiti. Follow the photography page at 1021 Portraits. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you on the next video. Everybody wish me luck on closing on this house. Hopefully I close on it in the next 30 days. Let me know how you feel about the Bordeaux 6s. Did you grab them? Do you not care? Are you waiting on those reimagined band ones, the patent leathers? Are you waiting on the Midnight Navy 6s, the cool gray 11s, which we just got good pictures of? How do you feel about Jordan Brand's holiday lineup too? They just showed. There's a few shoes I'm gonna grab. I'll tell you now, it's gonna be those reimagined ones if I can get them. The band ones, basically patent leather band ones, and those taxi royalties, which are just taxis with some gold hints, and that's fine with me because I already have the regular taxi, so I'll have both, so I'm cool with that. But yeah, let me know in the comments about everything I just said. I hope you have a great weekend. Peace.